smaller sign, ascending order, descending order. So I don't think so that I have to explain these chapters too much to understand. So students, I'm just going to do these questions in my copy that I have with me now. So students, just you have to do all the questions related to this exercise in your homework copy. So I'm going to start solving the question. So our first question is, I'm going to read first. Compare the numbers and fill in the blanks with greater, smaller or equal to sign. Students, so here you have to put the sign greater to, smaller to or equal to sign in the given number. First of all, to understand which number is greater, which number is smaller, you have to see the first number. That is, here is 34, here is also 34. So we cannot identify which number is greater and which number is smaller. So we will move to the other section. Here is 61, here is 16. So which one is greater, 61 or 16? So you can now normally identify that which one is greater or which one is smaller. So here 61 is greater means this number is greater and this number is smaller. So we will move to the next question. Question number 2. Write the following numbers in ascending order. As I have taught, ascending means, or as you have already studied in your previous class, that ascending means smaller to greater. Ascending means smaller to greater. छोटे नंबर से बड़े नंबर की तरफ. So here we have to find which number is smaller and which number is greater first. So the smaller one among these numbers is 278099. It is the smallest number among these number sequence. इन सारे नंबर सीक्वेंस में ये सबसे छोटा है. How can you identify which number is smaller? First of all, you have to count the digits in the number. So here I am going to count the digit first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this number contains 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This also 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This also 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This also 6. So here student, you will see that these three numbers, these starting three numbers are of 7 digit and the last 2 digits are of 6 digit. So it is obvious that 6 digit is smaller than 7 digit. 6 digit वाला number 7 digit के number से smaller होगा. So we have to find out in these two 6-digit number that which one is smaller and which one is greater. So now students, so you will see here हमें इन दोनों numbers में find करना, identify करना which number is smaller and which number is greater, because it is already obvious that among all the numbers these three numbers are of 7 digit and these two numbers are of 6 digits. So we have to find out which one is smaller and which one is greater among these two numbers. So I am going to start. The trick is the same. The step is same, that we have to first see the first number. Here is 2, here is also 2. So we cannot find which one is greater, which one is smaller. So we will move to the other number. Here is 78 and here is 87. You will see here. The 2 के बाद क्या है हमारा 78 and here is 87. So which one is greater? So 87 is greater and 78 is smaller. So it is obvious that 278099 is smaller than that, obviously. So I have written here the smallest number at the first, the second smallest at the second. Now we will move to the other parts also. So here in these 3 7 digit, now the process is same. We both are applying the same step to find out which one is greater, which one is smaller. So here first of all we have to see the first number. Here is 20, here is 28, here is 27. It is obvious that 20 is smaller, after that 27, after that 28. So I have written here 20, 98 here, 27, 89 after that, and the last but not the least is 28, 79. So here I have completed this sequence. So we will move to the other question, that is question number 3. Write the following numbers in descending order. Descending means greater to smaller. Ascending means smaller to greater. here greater to smaller. So we have to follow greater to smaller number. So here are also some sequence. So we have to find out which one is greatest among these numbers. So here we will see that the first digit, first of all we have to count out the digits in every number. पहले हमें digits count करना होता है. So I am going to count. Here is the first number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It contains 7 digits. 1 2 3 4 5 6. It also 7. It also 7. 7. So both of these numbers are of 7 digits. So it is really very impossible to find out which one is smaller, which one is greater with respect to the digit. So we will move to the next step, that we have to see the first digit, first number of every number, first digit of every number. Here is 10, here is 10, here is 10, 10, 10. So also we cannot find out which one is greater and which one is smaller. So we will move to the next phase, that is the second part. Here is 0 2, 0 2 means 2, 0 2 means 2. Here is 20, here is 0, here is 21, here is 2. So it is also really very obvious that among all these numbers, which one is greater? The 21 is greater. So this number is the greatest among this sequential number. So we are writing here the greatest number at the first. The second greatest is 20. ये 20 वाला second greatest होगा. So I am writing here 20. After that 2, because 0 is the smallest number. So I have written the smaller number at the last here. So 2, 2. There are two numbers are of 2, 2. So here you will see that here is 2 and here is also 2. So we cannot find out which one is smaller. So we will move to the next. Here is 0, 0, 1. Here is 1, 0, 0. Always 100 is greater than 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1 means 1 and 1, 0, 0 means 100. So 100 is greater. So I have written here 100 just before 0, 0, 1 and it will become now the descending order. We will move to the next question now, students. Write the smallest number and largest number. So it is really very small. It is also really very easy to understand which one is smaller, which one is greatest, which one is largest. So here first of all count out the digit 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 7 7 5 6. So which one is smaller? The 5 digit number. Obviously 5 digit वाला number ज़्यादा smaller होगा. So smallest I have written here the 5 digit number, that is that. And in the largest 7 digit में देखिए कौन सा सबसे बड़ा, तो obviously this 43 is greatest. So I have written here the greatest number. So we will move to the next question now, student. So student, our fifth question is, write the greatest and the smallest number that can be formed using the digits with repetition. So student, this question is totally worthy because you do not know how to make numbers with digits, with the help of digits. How can you make numbers with the help of digits? अभी तक आपको नहीं पता डिजिट के हेल्प से आप नंबर्स कैसे बनाइएगा. सो आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन दिस टॉपिक फर्स्ट. After that, I will come here and explain this question. So student, I am moving. So my students, you will see here that in question number 5, the question number 5 says that you have to make smallest and greatest number with the help of the given digit. दिए गए डिजिट से आपको ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर, स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर बनाना है. ठीक है, with repetition or without repetition. ये these two are your conditions. ये दोनों आपके कंडीशन होते हैं जिसको अप्लाई करके हम लोग नंबर्स बनाते हैं. So here we will see that how can we make numbers with the help of digits. So here I will explain. Students, you will see here that I have written here make numbers with these digits. आपको numbers बनाने with respect to with the help of these digits. So 1 2 3 5 6 9 are the digits as I have taught you in the previous class, in the previous video, that these are the digits. Now you have to make number. First of all, I have written here 6 digit number. So student, with the help of these digits, you have to make 6 digit number. 6 डिजिट नंबर बनाने के लिए आप क्या करेंगे? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मार्क 6 डिजिट 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I have made 6 digits, 6 places where I am going to make smaller or the greatest number. For smallest also and for largest also. 1 2 3 4 5 6, because your question demands smallest as well as largest. So you have to make smallest as well as largest also. So student, I am going to. So now student, before making any number, जितने भी डिजिट का नंबर बोलता है, सपोज हेयर आई हैव रिटन 6 डिजिट, सो आई हैव मेड हेयर 6 प्लेसेस, 6 प्लेस मैंने बना दिया खाली, ठीक है, द फिल द ब्लैंक्स, ओके फाइन. सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू मेक द 6 डिजिट स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. सो you will see here that how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here you can see that there are 6 digits, so you do not have to repeat any number to make 6 digit number. बच्चे यहाँ पे 6 डिजिट ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है, तो आपको बस यहाँ पे फिल कर देना है प्लेस में. वो कैसे फिल करोगे स्मॉलेस्ट और ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर बनाने के लिए? तो यहाँ पे देखिए, टू मेक स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर फ्रॉम द गिवन डिजिट, दिए गए डिजिट से आपको स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर बनाने के लिए दिए गए जितने भी हमारे डिजिट हैं उसको हम लोग असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में सजा देंगे. सो वी विल मेक द डिजिट्स इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर टू मेक द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. सो हियर वी, so you will see here students, the number is already in ascending order. So I'm just writing here the digits to make numbers without any comma sign. You will see here there are commas, so you do not have to put this comma here, because अगर आपने comma लगाया then the number becomes digits again. So do not put comma in between the digits. Students see, so I have made a smallest number. So how can we make largest? For smallest you have to arrange these numbers in ascending order, or to make largest number you have to make these digits in descending order. बड़े से छोटे में आप सजा दोगे तो आप largest number ले लोगे. तो I am writing here, 6 5 3 2 1. So this is the smallest 6 digit number, this is the largest 6 digit number by using these digits given to me. So student, now the condition is that if there is only 5 digit, then how can you make 6 digit number smallest or largest? Student, here is the condition is that I have only 5 digits, but now I have to make 6 digit number with the help of these 5 digits. 5 digit की help से मैं 6 digit number कैसे बनाऊँ, बताइए मुझे. So tell me this. Okay student, I know that you do not know how to make numbers using only 5 digits, so I am going to tell. The condition is that, यहाँ पे condition क्या आएगी? या तो किसी एक digit को हम लोग 2 बार लिख देंगे तब वो 6 digit number बनेगा. Yes, so here we have only 5 digits, but we have to make 6 digit number. For that we will repeat one number twice in the section, in each section. हम लोग को दोनों सेक्शन में किसी एक डिजिट को 2 बार लिखेंगे तो हमारा 6 डिजिट नंबर बन जाएगा. So now what is the condition is that for student to make a smallest number, I have told you that to make smallest number you have to arrange the given digits in ascending order. So student, you have to arrange numbers in ascending order. So I am going to arrange, first of all, to make a smallest number I am going to arrange the digits in ascending order. So I am going to make, so we have already known that we have to arrange these digits in ascending order, but on what condition we have to arrange? We have to rewrite one number twice in this smallest digit number. हमें एक नंबर को 2 बार लिखना पड़ेगा. We have to repeat. So to make a smallest number we have to arrange ascending. So I am going to, so स्टूडेंट वो कौन सा डिजिट होगा जो 2 बार रिपीट होगा? तो ऑब्वियसली द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर among the digits. So which one is the smallest digit? You will see here 1. So I am going to repeat 1 twice in the number. After that, now write down the number in normal way. For largest, we have to write down the greatest digit 2 times. So here the greatest digit is 6. So I am going to write the 6 2 times, and now write down the numbers in regular form. So now it is the 6 digit smallest number and it is the largest 6 digit number. By using these 5 digits, 5 डिजिट को यूज करके हमने 6 डिजिट का स्मॉलेस्ट और ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर किस कंडीशन पे बनाया आपने देखा. सो वी विल मूव टू द क्वेश्चन नाउ students. Now you will see in question 5 that we have some digit. Now we have to make smallest and greatest numbers. So now student, I am going to make smallest and largest number with the help of the given digit without repetition. बिना repeat किया हुआ number, मतलब जो मैंने example दिया है अभी, we cannot follow, we do not have to follow that situation because here is mentioned one thing that without repetition we have to make smallest and the largest number. So I am going to make smallest and the largest number. So we have digits. To make smallest number, we have to arrange these digits in ascending order. So in ascending order, student, now you will see that ma'am didn't use 0 at first because 0 is the smallest digit. You will see here that I am not using 0 at the first. Student, whenever the digit is 0, you do not have to use the smallest 0 digit at the first to make smallest number. Smallest number बनाने के लिए कभी भी 0 को आगे मत लिखना. The second smallest number, what now you will see what is the second smallest number, that is 1. So you have to write down the second smallest digit first. After that you have to write down 0. This is only for 0. This condition is only for this condition applies only for 0. When the digit is 0 तब हम ये करेंगे. But when the digit is not 0, here is used some other digits, then you have to arrange these digits in ascending order as I have used in the example. So I am using here 1 at the first, 0 at the second, after that ascending order. After that applying ascending order, arranging in ascending order, that 2 is at the third, 7 after that 5, after that 7, after that 9. So here we have made smallest, and again we have to, in largest number we do not have to follow any condition. So you will see here, to make largest number you have to arrange these numbers in yes, so in numbers in descending order. Student, we will move to question number 6. I am going to read first. Write the greatest and the smallest numbers as in question 5 that you have followed. In question 5 you have to make again smallest and greatest number with the help of the given digit. आपको given digit से smallest और greatest digit बनाना है. So I am going to read. Now write the greatest and the smallest number that can be formed using the given digits. You may repeat the digit but use each digit at least once. It means that if the demand is to make 6 digit number and we have only 5 digit number, now here is the condition that I have given you in my example, that when we have to make 6 digit number, as you see here is written, here is only 5 digits, but we have to make 6 digit number. For that, how can we make a smallest and largest number? कैसे make करेंगे 5 digit से? हाँ, तो we will follow the condition that to make a smallest number we have to repeat one digit twice in a number. नंबर बनाने के लिए किसी एक डिजिट को 2 बार लिखना पड़ेगा. और सेम एज इन लार्जेस्ट नंबर, एज यू सी here Now the condition is that which digit we have to repeat twice in a number. कौन सा ऐसा digit होगा जिसको दो बार repeat करेंगे? तो obvious, to make smallest number we have to repeat the smallest digit from the given digit. So what is the given digits are? That is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So the smallest among these digits is 1. So we have to write down 1 twice to make number. So I am writing here 1 twice. After that following the ascending order. इसके बाद हमने ascending order को follow किया. 3, 5, 7, 9. And after that to make largest we have to write down the greatest digit from the given digit twice to make number. After that 7, 5, 3, 1. Now it is completed. Now we will move to the next portion. Next question, student. I am going to move. Student, the remaining questions will be done by you. आपके द्वारा बनेगा वो questions. So do those questions in your homework copy. So in question 7 I am going to write round off the following numbers to the nearest 10. Student, wait. Before starting this question, I am again going to explain rounding numbers to nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000. After that, I am going to explain or I am going to solve these questions. So now, follow me. So student, now I am going to explain first of all about rounding numbers. After that, I am going to solve questions. So student, I am going to start rounding number now. Before starting rounding number, I am going to read these two rules first. After that, I am going to start rounding numbers to nearest 10. Rounding numbers to I am going to add one more thing too. So student, इसको समझने के पहले मैं पहले rules पढ़ूंगी पहले. So our first rule says that if the place digit is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then the place digit becomes 0. It means that okay, I am not going to explain now. Now I am going to read the rule 2. If the place digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then the place digit becomes 0 and 1 is added to the number that just comes before 8 or to 8. I am going to add to it here. So student, as you have studied in your previous class, for nearest 10, rounding numbers to nearest tens, we will see the digit at ones place. हम लोग किस place का digit देखते हैं? तो ones place का digit देखते हैं. I have given here some examples also. To nearest 10, we will see the digit. We will see number at ones place. For nearest 10, I am going to make the rounding number to nearest 10. Here I have given the example 22. For we have to find out rounding numbers to nearest 10. So I am going to follow the rule 1, rule 2 and the steps. Rounding numbers to nearest 10, I have written here 22. For 22, we have to see the digit at ones place. हमें ones place का digit देखना है. So what is our ones place digit is 2. You will see here what is your ones place digit is 2. So now you will follow the rule 1. I will go to the rule 1 and rule 2. So where is the digit 2 in rule 1 or in rule 2? Student, you see and you tell me or you identify that where is 2 or where is not. So obviously it is in the rule 1. It is in the rule 1. So I am going to write the rule 1 again. If the place digit is 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then the place digit becomes 0. Here I have used one term that is called place digit. Here place digit is the digit for the nearest tens, nearest 100 or the nearest 1000. Place digit मतलब क्या हो गया? Suppose for nearest 10 we will see the digit at the ones place. Ones place के लिए digit देखते हैं, यहाँ पे ones place का digit देखते हैं. Nearest tens के लिए ones place का digit देखते हैं, तो ये उसी के लिए यूज किया हुआ है. So here हमारा ones place का digit क्या है, तो here it is in the rule 1. तो then the given place digit means one's place digit, and the given one's place digits becomes 0. You will see here 2 follows rule 1. 2 is following the rule 1, as the rule 1 says that if the digit is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, if the digit is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then the place digit that we are seeing here becomes 0. तो अब हम लोग यहाँ पे किस प्लेस का डिजिट देख रहे थे? Then we are seeing the digit at the ones place. So that ones place digit becomes 0 now, and the number before that and the digit before that written as the same written in the question, और उसके आगे जो डिजिट लिखा होता है उसे वैसे ही हम लोग लिखते हैं. So here it will become 20. So 20 is the nearest 10 of 20. What is the nearest 10 of 22? So 20 is the nearest 10 of 22. So we will follow 27 now. For what place digit? We have to see the ones place digit for nearest tens. For nearest tens I am going to, what is our ones place digit is 7. So 7 is following the rule 2. So I am going to write the rule 2. If the place digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, अगर place digit 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 है, then the place digit becomes 0 and 1 is added to the number that just comes before to it. So it follows that if the place digit is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, here is for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here is for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Rule 1 is for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and rule 2 is for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 digit. So here is the digit 7, so we are following the rule 2. So rule 2 says that the digit becomes 0, the digit we are seeing becomes 0. So now 7 becomes 0. What digit we are seeing in this? The ones place digit, and the ones place digit in the question is 7. So now it becomes 0, as the rule 2 says that the digit becomes 0 and 1 is added and 1 is added to the next number. Next number means the number that just comes before to it. So what number comes just before to it is 2. So we are going to add plus 1 to the digit 2. So what will we get? It's 30. So 30 is the nearest 10. So now it is completed for nearest 10. I am moving to nearest 100 or nearest 1000. Now students, we are going to move to the nearest 100. So for nearest 100 we have to see the digit at tens place. हमें tens place का digit. For nearest 100, here is the term used 100. So we have to see the digit at tens place. हमें tens place का digit देखना होता है. So 1 and tens. It is the tens place digit. What is the tens place digit? Is 2. So it is in the rule 1. So rule 1 says that the digit becomes 0. The digit becomes 0 and the digit that just comes before to it written the same as in question. It means that we are going to write down the digit that just comes before to it. What was the digit that just comes before to it? That is 1. So we are, I am here writing it as the same that is written in the question, and now you will see that the number that just comes after to it, उसका क्या हुआ? So we are going to again applying 0 for the number. So rest of the number that just comes before to it becomes also 0. तो जो number उसके पीछे छूट गया वो भी 0 होता जाएगा. So again we are following 5. So here is 5, the tens place digit. For nearest 100 we have to see the tens place digit. So tens place digit हमने देखा. So we are following the rule 2. Rule 2 says that the digit becomes 0 and 1 is added to the number that just comes before. So the number that just comes before 5 is 1. So after adding 1 it becomes 2, and the number that just comes after to it, that is 6, also becomes 0. So here is the 22 is the nearest 100 and 100 is for 123 for nearest 100. So we will move to nearest 1000 now. So student, now you will move to nearest 1000. For nearest 1000 we have to see the number at the digit at the hundreds place. For nearest 1000 we have to see the digit at the hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundred. What is at the hundreds place? That is 2. So we have to follow the rule 1. Rule 1 says that when the digit is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then the digit becomes 0 and the number that just comes before write the same as written in the question. So उसके आगे जो नंबर होता है वो वैसे ही लिखा जाता है और जो नंबर हम लोग देख रहे हैं वो 0 हो गया and the number that and the rest numbers that just comes before to it becomes also 0. So here and again we will follow the second question, that is ones, tens, hundred. We have to follow the digit at the hundreds place. What is at the hundreds place? That is 5. So we have to follow rule 2. Rule 2 says that the number that we are seeing becomes 0 and 1 is added to the number that just comes before to it. जो उसके पहले आया उसमें 1 add हो गया. So it becomes now 2 and the rest of the number that just comes after to it becomes also 0. So here our nearest thousand is also completed. Now student, you all, so I have explained about rounding numbers to nearest 10, nearest thousand and nearest 100. So now follow the rule, follow the conditions, and now you all are able to do these questions from your book. So now I will move to the questions. So student, I am moving to the question 7, that is the round of the numbers to the nearest 10. For nearest 10 हमें ones place का digit देखना पड़ता है. What is our ones place digit? Is 7. 7 means it follows rule number 2. So when it follows rule number 2, rule number 2 says that the digit that we are seeing becomes 0 and 1 is added to the given the number that just comes before to it. So 7 becomes 8 now. So 8 is the nearest 10. Again 93. Here is the digit 3. So it follows rule number 1. Rule number 1 says that the digit that we are seeing becomes 0 and the number that just comes before to it write as same as in the question. So question में जैसे वो वैसे ही लिखा गया. So it becomes 90 now. So we will move to the question number 8. Round off the following numbers to the nearest 100. For nearest 100, we have to see the digit at tens place. Tens place का digit देखना है. So what is our tens place is ones and tens. So what is our tens place digit is 1. So 1 means it follows rule 1. Rule number 1 says that when the digit is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, then the digit becomes 0 and the digit that just comes before to it write as the same as written in the question and the number that just comes before to it becomes also 0. And again we will follow. Here is again 1. So 1 becomes 0, 2 is written as the same as in the question and the number that just comes before to it also becomes 0. So again we will move to the nearest 1000. So here is the round of the following numbers to the nearest 1000. For nearest 1000 we have to see the place, we have to see the digit at hundreds place. So here student, you will see we have to see the digit at the hundreds place. So ones, tens, 100. What is the digit at the hundreds place? That is 8. So it follows rule number 2. So rule number 2 says that when the digit is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, it becomes 0 and 1 is added to the number that just comes before. तो इसके पहले कौन सा नंबर आया 1, उसमें 1 ऐड और हो जाएगा because it follows rule number 2. So 1 becomes 2 and the number that and the remaining number that just comes after 2 it becomes also 0 और जो number उसके बाद आया वो भी 0 हो गया. Again here the same condition follow and it becomes 8000. So we will move to the question 10 and 11. Here in question 10, find the sum of the largest and the smallest 6-digit number. So student, here are some digits here. We have to make first of all smallest and largest number. Here to make numbers, I have already taught you in question number 5 that how can you make numbers by using digits. So make smallest and largest number. After that दोनों का sum करना. After that add the both of the numbers. Sum means plus, sum means to add. To add, addition is known as sum in mathematics. So after making numbers, I am going to add, and it I will get here is the number that. So in question number 11, you will see that fill in the blanks. So here I have only do question number 8, that is the largest number formed by using without repetition is. Without repetition obviously बड़ा नंबर बनाना है तो हमें इसे डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में सजाना पड़ेगा. So I have arranged these numbers in descending order. So what it becomes? 9210. So it is our numbers without repetition. And here is one more term is added, that without repetition. Without repeating any number, you have to make the largest number. So this is the largest number. So student, now that you have understood everything very clearly, now make questions of exercise 1C. In tomorrow's class, I will make some more video of chapter of exercise 1D. So thank you so much, student.